Now, this is the very last step, applying your top coats. Once you have sealed all the steps with high gloss lacquer, you can do some build-up coats with the high gloss lacquer because a lot of finishers want to put some material on the wood. Not a problem. But if you use your build-up coats in a satin or a semi-gloss, or if you use a sanding cedar, remember all of those finishes that have a satin or a knockdown type look, they are created by using talc powder. This talc powder makes the surface of the material look milky and not crisp and clear. So I always do all my build-up coats. I'll put 6, 7, 8 coats with the high gloss Pearlworks lacquer, which is on the left. And then my very last coat, 1, maybe 2 coats maximum, I'll knock it down with a satin finish, a semi-gloss, or a flat. But I will never, ever use a build-up coats using a talc powdered lacquer. Now, a lot of people say, well, why do you use talc powder? Well, the only way to take high gloss and to take the shine or the sheen off of it is to use talc powder, especially when you're using lacquer materials. So again, this is the materials that you're going to be using for your final finish coats. And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, the finish is absolutely beautiful.